Okay? From what country? From USA. Okay. So show us what USA has to offer to the rest of the world. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, once again, palakpakan natin, Mason! Alright, you're doing great.
Ano naman yung pakiramdam nun?
Nakita ko kanina si Maria Clara, pero ngayon, ibang Maria Clara. Oo, pang ngayong generation. Totoo, bulba kung bulba. Okay. Ngayon naman, girls, boys, nagagawa ng ginawa ni Mason at ni Joyce, kailangan yung makalagpas sa challenge. Ang challenge natin ay TikTok